there is a nocturnal creature known as G-Unit. We're now going to go in close and study his snoring habits. Notice the loud snoring noises.